What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So check this out. I see this particular question asked a lot on the forums, Facebook, whoop a boop, a boop, 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 and sometimes in the comments. People are having problems with their top. And what I mean by that is, when you first buy your Corvette, if you do not know, they squeak a whole lot. This top squeaks every time the chassis flexes. It sounds horrible. It sounds like you driving a 1981 Fox body. It really does. But there's a quick fix that most people don't know about, that I had to figure out a long time ago when I got my car, because it was squeaking every time I backed out to drive. And this fix worked. I did it one time, and that one time solved the problem. I have never had the squeaking issue again, and that's been at least 6-7 years, 8. I'm gonna show you what that fix is. Come over here. Boom. This is your fix right here. Dielectric grease. You put this on your car. I'm gonna show you where to put it. You use this one time, maybe 2 times if you don't put enough the first time, and you won't have any more issues. So let me pop this top so I can show you exactly where to put it. All right, so as you can see, we got the top down, chilling in the lean with a gangster scene, and I'm gonna show you where to put it at. If you look real close, like I said, I've had this on this car for years, and you can still see the grease. All you have to do is take your dielectric grease, and you can periodically add it on there, but I didn't have to because mine don't squeak. And you can go back and let's watch my other videos and see that it don't squeak. You want to put that grease right there in the hole, and you also want to rub it across the balls. Rub the grease across the balls. You want to put it right here as well, and you can see this grease has stayed in here for years. Over there you can still see the grease. Over there you can still see the grease. This is what is squeaking. If it's not lubricated, it's going to squeak. So when I say balls, you see these little balls? You see the little balls right there? Look, you can still see the grease on those. I lubricated all of that shit up too. Lubricated that up too. I don't think I lubricated the hatch part, but I lubricated the balls, and you can see, like I said, this grease is still on here after years. So you only will have to do it maybe one time if you put enough on it. And I think I put a generous amount on it. You will be a-okay. You won't have to worry about that squeaking again. On guard. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I just wanted to show that because I was reading in the forum. People still have this question, so apparently it's not a known fix. I would have thought it would have been a known fix by now, but I guess it's not. So here's the video in case you didn't know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.